Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we will discuss how you can log in to your existing account in the Temu shopping app. One of the main reasons that you will need to log into your app is after you logged in, all of your searches, your wishlist products, your favorite products are now stored in your account details so that you can access those in different devices as well. So to log in, press on the sign in button that shows in the screen. If you have already logged in previously, image and your email address will be shown as a saved image address. But if you want to sign in with another account, you can press on the sign in with another account, then enter the account details and then press on continue. For now, I'm going to sign in with my previously saved account. So I'm going to press the sign in button that shows below my email address. Once I press it, I am now signed in to my account, and now I can see my orders, my reviews, all of the coupons or offers that I have on my account after logging in. If you have not logged in, you will not have access to your personal reviews or orders or coupons. So logging in will be helpful in preserving your account information. In this way, you can log in to the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.